How to update your shipping address on Shein. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you land to the Me page, at the top right corner, you're going to find the settings icon. Click on it. Once you're in the settings page, head over to the option of Address Book. Now from here, you are able to update your shipping address on your Shein account. Go ahead and click on the option of Add a shipping address. Now I have to fill this. First, you go ahead and select your location, then type in your first name, type in the last name, type in your phone number, then type in the city, type in the state or province, then type in the zip code. Likewise, if you want to set this address as the default one, toggle on for this option and click on Save. This way, your shipping address on Shein account will be updated. If you want to delete any of the addresses, you can click on this delete icon and do that. So this is how you can easily update your shipping address on Shein. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.